All right, we're going to start out with some mild steel. We will show and demonstrate both fusion welding and wire feed. You do have to have the plates a little different between the two welds. You're going to want an open corner if you're filling it with wire, and you do need a nice tight closed corner if we are doing fusion welding. But we'll go ahead and we will fusion weld this 14 gauge mild steel. All right, and as you heard in our safety video, always be aware of the torch, where the torch is pointed. And as an operator, welder, you always want to make sure that you can see these indicator lights in the corner of your eye. You want to keep your face behind the torch. When you get in front of the torch, now you're in beam reflection and chance of injury. And just make sure you stay behind these indicator lights. Rule of thumb. And then, as you also heard in the training video, you need to hold it between 70 degrees and 30-degree angle on that material. We do not want to be straight up and down. We will shoot the beam up into this focal tube, and we will go through lenses if we do that. So torch position is very important. And here we go on fusion. No wire added, quality weld, full penetration, and obviously very quick. Now we'll get set up and jump into wire feeding the same piece, same part. All right, we're going to take that same part, same pieces, and instead of fusion, we'll add wire. Now, when using the wire feeder on the laser welder, this is a huge benefit with the laser welder, because you can take an inexperienced operator, welder, and they can lay a very nice bead. The wire literally pushes the torch, and there is not a whole lot the operator has to do as far as controlling the torch. You just hold it at the correct angle, and the welder does the rest of the work for you. Pretty slick deal. Now that weld, full penetration and really clean.